Hello students, welcome back. In the last class, we discussed the introduction of genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel, the father of genetics, he conducted his experiments using pea plant. These pea plant shows 7 contrasting characters which was subjected to hybridization experiments. Instead of pea plant, he used simples for his experiments. Now, let's start the experiment with the character height having the trait tall and dwarf. The allele for the tall is capital T, and for the dwarf is small t, small t. Here, Mendel says that each character has 2 factors. For the tall, the allele is capital T. For dwarf, the allele is small t, small t. Before crossing, from each factor, we have to select one. Select one t from the trait tall and small t from the dwarf. Next step is crossing. During crossing, we got the result capital T, small t. And here the address is written as F1 generation. First generation. In the F1 generation, we got the result capital T as tall and small t as dwarf. Here only one character is expressed. That means here we are giving importance to the capital letter. So we got the result tall. Small t is hidden in the F1 generation. So the expressed character is called dominant, which is tall, and small t is hidden. So it is called recessive, that is a dwarf. Once again, in the F1 generation, only one character is expressed, that is tall, which is dominant, and another is hidden, which is recessive, that is dwarf. So, in the F1 generation, one character is expressed, that is tall, and dwarf is hidden with the ratio 1:1. The character which is hidden in the F1 generation will be expressed in the F2 generation. For that, he self-pollinated the first generation plant to understand what happened to the factors responsible for dwarfness in the first generation. Now, let's have a look. Next step is self-pollination. The product from the F1 generation is self-pollinated. That means the same product we have to write once again. First step is the crossing method. That means capital letter T is self-pollinated with capital T and small t. Next, small t is self-pollinated with capital T, small t. Let's have a look. Capital T, capital T. Capital T, small t, then small t, capital T, last one small t, small t. This way you have to write. We can address it as F2 generation. So in the F2 generation, the result we got is, look at here, capital letters are there. So we got 3 tall and 1 dwarf. 3 tall and 1 dwarf. According to Mendel, his inference was that The character which remains hidden in the first generation appears in the second generation, such as the trait dwarf, which was hidden in the F1 generation, appeared in the F2 generation. One more step is there to solve the F2 generation. That means the gamete obtained in the F1 generation is self-pollinated by using row and column. 2 row and 2 column are used. We have to put round mark around the gametes. Self-pollinating the gamete. Watch clearly how the gametes are crossed. Here, in the first box, we got the gamete, capital T, capital T. In the second box, we got capital T, small t. In the third box, we got the result, small t, capital T. In the fourth box, the result is small t, small t. Here it is tall. Here also we got tall. Here also we got the tall, and in the fourth box, small t's are seen. So the result is dwarf. So in the F2 generation, we got 3 tall and 1 dwarf. I hope you understood this problem. According to this, there is inference regarding Gregor-Johann method. The main inferences were as follows. First one, a trait is controlled by the combination of 2 factors. Second one character is expressed, that is a dominant character, and other character remains hidden, that is a recessive character in the offsprings of the first generation. Third one, the character which remains hidden in the first generation appears in the second generation. The ratio of the dominant character and recessive character in the second generation is 3:1.